Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete photos from messages on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing I want to do is go ahead and open the messages app on your iPhone and then select the shot where you want to delete the photo or the image. Now I have these photos that I want to delete. All you want to do is go ahead, press and hold the image. Then click on the more button. Then you should see the photo selected. Now go ahead and check all other photos you have here. So just go through, check other photos you want to delete. You can select multiple photos. Just go ahead, check. Now once you've selected all the photos that you want to delete, the next one to do is go ahead and click on the trash button at the bottom left. Then you should see what that says, this message will be deleted from all of your devices. If you want to delete the photo, just go ahead and click on delete X number of messages. And this is going to delete the photo. So in this case, let's say I just want to delete one. This one alone, press and hold. Click on more. Then it's going to check it. Click on delete. Then delete. You see that? And that's it. So that is exactly how to delete photos from messages on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.